In this example, I already prepared my pattern with some model lines and created them with the function creating, generate, modify linear rule. But as you can see, the grading does not go all the way to the main contour in each size. The fastest way to reach that is using the function grading, grade, internal rules. By clicking an internal line with your left mouse button, the system will recalculate the grading that is already applied to that line and trim the internal line in each size towards the main contour. I'll do it again. I go to my internal line, click with my left mouse button, the system exchanges the already existing grade rules and trims the line towards the main contour. If you have an internal line that you do not want to trim toward the main contour, but instead toward another internal line, you can do that with the same function. In that case, you only have to select all the internal lines that you want to trim towards each other. Here I click my internal lines with the right mouse button, right mouse button, right mouse button, and the last one with the left mouse button. And the system will trim the first and the last line toward the main contour in each size, and the line in between towards the other internal lines that I selected as well. What happens is that if you trim an internal line towards another internal line, the system will create reference points on the intersection of those two lines. Those are no longer needed, and you can delete them with the function delete element. Highlight the reference point and delete it, and you are done.